morning. Very good morning, children. Yes. Had your breakfast? Yes. Then, are you doing your homeworks? Classworks? Yes. Then, are you sending regularly? Yes. Hereafter it should be regular, children. Before 8 you need to send. Okay? Yes. Then we will start. Yes, tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 24. We are in the month of September. Here is 2021. Today is Friday. Yes, you have English subject, right? Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Yes. Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. This is the thought for the day. Yes. Yes. We completed the third lesson. Yes, children. Yes, we completed. Have you completed everything? Yes. Yes, what we learned in previous class, children? Yes, reading comprehension, speaking project. Yes, this is what we did, right? Yes, passage 1 about kingfisher. Yes, we learned many things about the kingfisher. Yes, different types of kingfishers and how they are, what and all they are having food. Is about that and all we learned in that previous class. Then in passage 2 we learned about whom? Whom? Do you remember? Yes, Abraham Lincoln. Yes, about him we learned, right? He was the president. Yes, which country he was president, children? Tell me. He was a president for United States. Okay, in the year 1861 to 1865. Okay, his mother name, father name, place of his birth. Yes, what books he liked to read. Yes, about that and all we learned in the previous class. Yes, and we completed the question answer. Then fill in the blanks, match the following. Yes, regarding that. Right? Yes. Now you have to take out your workbook. Yes, because we completed the first lesson. Then we will go to the module 3. Yes, third lesson we completed. Sorry, children, we completed third lesson. So we will go to the workbook. Okay. Yes, module 3. Okay, please take out your English workbook part 1. Yes. Yes, children, in this we completed module 1, module 2. Yes. Now module 3. Yes. Yes. Take out the page number 31. Module 3. In this what we will learn? We will learn dictation words, listen and answer, then vocabulary, that is suffix, then grammar, singular and plural nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, then formal writing, friendly letter, then creative writing, autobiography also. We will learn in this workbook. Okay, module 3. Okay, so, yes, we have dictation, that is exercise 1.1 word dictation we have. I will write the words on the board. Please copy down in your workbook page number 31. Okay? Yes. First one is selfish. Selfish. Then blossom. Blossom. Then pearl. Then trespassers. Trespassers. Then clock. page number 32. Listen and answer. Yes, you should listen. I will tell you one story. Okay. You should listen carefully that story. Then these questions you should need to answer for that. Okay. Yes. So I will tell you one story. Listen carefully. Once upon a time there lived a strange bird named Barunda. Okay, a strange bird. Okay, once the strange bird was lived in the olden times. Okay, it is named as Barunda. He lived on a banyan tree near the banks of the river. Where he lived? He lived on the he lived in the banyan tree near the banks of the river. Okay. The strangeness of the bird lies in the fact that he had two necks with head a common stomach. Yes, that bird has two heads. Okay, that bird is having two heads and only one body. That is one stomach, one common stomach it was having. You have been seen, I think, Ganta Berunda. Yes, you heard that bird. Yes, Kannada people know. Yes, Ganta Berunda. It is one symbol also of some kingdom. Yes, yes, that bird only, about that bird only this story. Okay, it is having two heads and one stomach, one common stomach. Okay, one day the bird was wandering on the banks of the river. One day it was wandering, walking near the banks of the river and found a red. And found a red golden fruit which appeared delicious at the first sight. Okay, it was a very red golden color fruit. Okay, it was very shiny also. Okay, then red golden fruit. Then one day the two heads mambled. Oh, two heads also are telling that what fruit? I am sure heavens have been sent it for me. I am so lucky. Yes, in that. Both the heads are telling that this fruit is given by the heavens. Gods have given. I am so lucky. Like that they are telling. Okay. Then he started eating the fruit with immense pleasure. Yes, he started eating. In that two birds' head, they have two heads, right? In that one head told that I will have this fruit like that. Okay. He started to eat and exclaimed that it was the most delicious food and he had ever eaten. After eating little bit of that fruit and he is telling very good taste it is. Like this type of a fruit I never ate, like that bird is telling. Okay. Hearing this the other said, oh dear, let me also taste the fruit. Yes. Hearing this, oh, that other head also told, okay, I will also taste it, give me like that. Okay. Then praising, you are praising so much. You are praising so much of that fruit, right? The first head laughed and replied. You know that we have only one stomach. The one who ate that fruit, right? He is telling that we have only one stomach. Okay, like that he is telling. No matter which head eat the fruit will go to the same stomach. Is that the first bird is telling? Whomever eat, it will go to stomach only. Why you need to eat like that? That bird is telling to the other bird. Okay, other head of the bird. So it makes no difference. But I eat it or you eat it. If I eat also what? If you eat also what? Everything goes to stomach only, right? Then why you need to taste like that? It asked. Moreover, I am the one who find the fruit. It is telling, that first head is telling, moreover I only find the fruit, then I will only eat like that, it is telling. Okay, I am the one who find the fruit, so I am the first to try to eat it. Okay, I am the first one to eat that, like that the first head told. The other head became silent and disappointed. It becomes silent and it gets disappointed. After hearing what the first head said. After the first aid what it's told, the second aid got very disappointment and it became silent. Okay, yes. First aid hurt me very much. First aid it hurts him very much for the second aid. Okay. One day the other hand found very poisonous fruits. He took to the and told the first head, "You disfound fellow, I will eat this poisonous fruit and Everest you have done to me." Yes, like that the bird is telling. The second bird told, once it found one poisonous fruit, very poisonous fruit it is, it found that and it is telling that I will eat this. You, how much you scold me, how much you didn't give that fruit. Now I will eat this fruit, like that the second head told. Okay. The first head, yeah, please don't eat the poisonous fruit. If you eat it, both of us will die. Yes, it is telling, if you eat, both will die. So please don't eat, like that the bird is telling. First bird, okay. Because we have common stomach to digest it. Yes, we have common stomach. So both will die. So don't eat, like that it is telling. The other head replied, "Shut up. As I have found this fruit, I have every right to eat it." What that second head is telling? Because I found that fruit, I have all the right to eat that fruit. Like that it is telling. The first head started crying. The first head started crying because if that second head eat that fruit, poisonous fruit, both will die, right? That's why it is crying. But the other head didn't bother and ate the poisonous fruit. As the consequence of this action, both of them lost their lives. Yes. So it didn't bother. The second head, what happened? It had the poisonous fruit and it made both of them to die. Okay. This is the story of this. Yes. Of this. You heard about that bird. Yes. This is the story. So we should not fight each other. If we fight each other, at last both will not get anything. Instead of that, they will lose their life only. Correct? So we should not fight. We should help each other. We should be helpful to each other. Then only, if you help him only, he will help you, right? Yes, that must be there. There is no understanding, then you cannot be together. Right? This is the moral of the story. Yes? Then next we have questions. You heard the story, right? It was good. Yes, nice story. Now you tell me the answers for that. Okay? What was the first name of the strange bird? Where did he live? What is the first? What was the name of the strange bird? Strange bird name. Yes, Barunda. Okay, I will write on the board. Copy down. Only answers I am writing. Write down. You people also copy. Barunda. He lived. Where he lived? He lived on a banyan tree. On a banyan tree. Banyan tree. Okay. Near the banks of the river. Near the banks of the river. Second one. Who was strange about the bird? Sorry, what was strange about the bird? What was the strange? It was having two heads, correct? Yes. The bird had two necks. How many necks? Two necks. Okay. Yes. Two necks which shared a common stomach. Okay. Common stomach. Third one. Why did the first head say that he had the first right to eat the fruit? Why he said? The first head said that he had all the rights to eat that fruit because he found it first. He found it first. That's why. Okay. Yes. The first head said that he had the first right to eat the fruit because he found it first. Okay, yes. Then fourth, what is the fourth question? How did the second head take revenge on the first head? How he took the revenge? He ate the poisonous fruit and both died, right? Like that he took the revenge. Yes. The first head took revenge by eating poisonous fruit that went to their common stomach. Okay. Yes. The first head took revenge by eating poisonous fruit that went to their common stomach. Okay. Yes. Then fifth question. What is the fifth question? What was the consequence of eating the poisonous fruit? After eating the poisonous fruit, what happened? What consequence they got? They lost their life. Yes, yes. Write down. After eating the poisonous fruit, both the heads lost their lives. Okay. Yes. What is the first answer? Barunda. He lived on a banyan tree near the banks of the river. Then second, the bird had two necks which shared a common stomach. The first head said that he had the first right to eat the fruit because he found it first. Okay. Then next, the first head took revenge by eating poisonous fruit that went to their common stomach. Then, after eating the poisonous fruit, both the heads lost their lives. Okay, let's copy down how it's your children. Watch the video and complete it. Okay, yes. Then next we have suffix, vocabulary suffix, page number 32. Suffix, what is suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to make a new word. Okay. Sometimes there is a change in the spelling of the word, new word also. Okay. Example, suffix is IVE and TION. First we will learn IVE and TION suffix. Okay. The suffix IV helps to make adjectives. It helps to make the adjectives. Okay. Now examples. Digest plus IVE, digestive. Talk plus IVE, talkative. Like that. Okay. One will be the correct word. If you add some more letters to that, it becomes an adjective. Okay, that is called suffix. You are adding the other letters to the word, right? That is called suffix. Okay? Yes, next suffix TION. Now we will see suffix TION. Helps to make abstract noun. Yes, this will help. If you write TION, it helps to make abstract noun. Okay, examples. Digest plus shun. Digestion. Digest plus shun, digestion. Admire plus shun, admiration. Yes, like that. Okay. It gives the other meaning also there. Instead of E, it will come A there. Right? Have you seen in the book? Are you looking at the book? Yes. Please look at the book also and listen what I am trying to tell you. Okay. Then next we have exercise 2.1 word maths time. From adjectives and abstract nouns by adding the suffix IVE and TION to the given base words. We should add adjective. For adjective IVE we will add. For abstract noun we will add TION. Shun. Understand? See I write here. Listen. For adjective what we will use? Here I write. Adjective. For adjective what we will use children? IVE. Correct? IVE we will use. But for abstract noun we will use TION. Okay, shun. Understood children? Yes. Like this. Using this you have to make the what? Adjective word and abstract noun. Okay? Yes, let us see here. They have given the words protect. Okay, they have given here protect. You have to write protective. And you have to write protection also. Okay? Yes, I will write it on the board. Yes, children, see I have written protective, protection. Like that you have to write here. See, in adjective and abstract noun here you should write. Okay, here you should write what I have written in the board. Okay? Yes. Protective, protection. We are using IVE. Okay? Then, educative, education. Narrative, narration. Productive, production. Then informative, information. Active, action. Like this. Okay? Please copy it down now itself, children. Then next we have suffix LESS and ABLE able. Okay? This adding we will do it. Let us see the suffix LESS. That ends the meaning without any or lacking. Without any meaning or without lacking, it will end with the LESS. Okay? Example like pain plus less. Painless, like that. Okay? See? Pain plus less. Painless. Okay? Like this. Otherwise, home plus less. Homeless. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the LESS we are adding. Okay, yes. Then next suffix ABLE, able, lends the meaning. It lends the meaning worthy or having the ability. Worthy or having the ability. Examples like depend plus able, dependable. Capacity plus able, capable. Okay, that is trustworthy and this is worthy. Okay, like that. We will use this suffix to give one new word. Okay. Next turn the page number exercise 2.2. These balloons are going to fly off. Draw the strings to attach the balloons to the box with the correct suffix to make new adjectives. Okay. Here I will show you how to do. Yes, see. First one is part. Partless or portable. Sorry, port plus portless or portable. Portable. Okay. Draw the strings like this. Hope, hopeless or hopeable. It will come hopeless only. Right? So draw the string like this. Okay. Then likeless or likable. Likable. Like this. Then Relyless or reliable. Right? Yes, strings. Then harmless or harmable. Harmless. Yes. Then helpless or helpable. Helpless. Correct? Yes. Add a string like this. Okay, complete it now itself, children. Yes. Yes, your homework is nothing but till now I have completed till page number 34, right? Yes, from page number 31 to 34. You have to complete that. That is your homework. Watch the video, complete it and send it in the group for correction before 8. Okay? Then today enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.